We are starting with the smallest chapter of the Geography Class 10 ICSE, Chapter 11 Mineral Resources. So, according to syllabus, there is only iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, their uses and their distribution. That's it. So, minerals are the natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So, minerals are the naturally found substances from organic or it may be from inorganic, but they have some definite chemical and physical properties, and they are other again classified into metallic and non-metallic on basis of presence of ferrous and non-ferrous. So the metallic minerals are the sources of iron, copper, gold. These are called metallic minerals. Again further it is classified into ferrous and non-ferrous on basis of presence of iron content in the metals. For example, ferrous minerals are those which have iron content like iron ore, but in non-ferrous minerals they do not have iron content like copper and bauxite. Then in non-metallic minerals they are organic or inorganic. So again they are classified into organic nonmetals and inorganic nonmetals. So in organic nonmetal minerals include fossil fuels or mineral fuels, which are derived from buried plants and animals, but in inorganic nonmetals, some as mica, limestone, graphite, which are prepared or in which are actually not organic, that is derived from which is not derived from the environment. And minerals have certain unique characteristics. See, the minerals also have some characters, like they are not over India. They are not evenly distributed, and if the quality is good, the quantity will be less, and if the quantity is more, the quality will be less. So the quality and quantity is are not directly proportional; they are inversely proportional. So these minerals are exhaustible. They are non-renewable. Some may be in excess. Some may be in shortage. So they'll become over. So, the iron ore is one of the most widely distributed minerals found in Earth's crust. So, in the Earth crust, the most widely distributed mineral is iron ore. It forms the backbone of modern civilization and the foundation of a basic industry. The basic industry is like steel and iron, which is the raw material for all the other higher business or for higher industry. Steel and iron and steel industries are the basic industry. Just like for iron and steel, the iron ore also forms the raw material for different things manufacturing. So, iron ore is the backbone for the modern civilization. In iron ore, there are three types: hematite, magnetite, and limonite. So, in hematite, it is 60 to 70% of pure iron is present, and it is also called red ore because it is reddish in color. And it is mostly found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. You can remember any three or four of them, that's enough. And magnetite is dark brown to blackish color and is therefore known as black ore. So this magnetite is called black ore. Hematite is red ore. You should remember it. And this is called black ore just because of its dark brown or blackish in color. And it contains 70% of iron and it possesses magnetic property. Hence it is called magnetite. Because of its magnetic property, it is called magnetite, and it is mostly found in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Then the next one, lemontite. It is yellow or light brown in color and it has 35 to 50% of iron. So it occurs in ironstone group in Raniganj coalfield. Raniganj coalfield is the oldest coalfield where you will learn further in the next chapter, and it is found in Garhwal, Mizapur district, which is in Uttar Pradesh and UP respectively, and Kangra Valley and Himachal Pradesh. So according to the syllabus, we should learn the basic and then the uses and their distribution. So, iron ore uses, see, about 90% of iron ore is used in making steel. Basic thing. You should remember just this one point and you should just learn to elongate it. You just remember that this main thing, that about 90% of iron ore is used in making steel, and it is iron ore is a raw material. And the powdered iron, so it is made in powdered iron ore is like raw material to make powdered iron, and further it is manufactured into metallurgy products, magnets, high frequency cores. You should remember two or three, that's more than enough. Then it is like using iron ore as a raw material, radioactive irons are made, and that further is used in medicine field. Then iron blue is prepared, which is like a color used in for shade colors in the things like plastics, paints, printing inks. See, and in this map, you just no need to remember everything. We will have a volume 2 textbook. Once when I go through that, I'll just share the video of which all the maps that you should prefer. You don't need to go through all the textbook maps to solve for the exam. It will be tough for you. Next, using iron ore as the raw material, black iron oxide is made. That is also a pigment which is used in polishing compounds, metallurgy, medicine, or magnetic inks. And in distribution, it is the largest producer of iron in Asia. You just remember the states: Jharkhand, Odisha, Karnataka, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Jharkhand. And you should remember this thing. The main iron ore exporting ports in India are Marangao and Vishakhapatnam. And manganese. It is a black, hard iron like metal which occurs on as natural oxide. So, manganese is another one which occurs as a natural oxide. It is an important raw material for smelting of iron and manufacture of alloys. So the uses of manganese are: it is used in making steel tough. Actually, steel is not so tough, but it is used in making steel tough and resistant to rusting. Then manganese is used as black enamel in chemical industries and for manufacturing of bleaching powder, and it is used in form a number of important alloys. So, manganese is used in many alloy formation and used in dry cell batteries, reduction of nitrates in green plants, regulate blood sugar in humans, support immune system. There are so many uses. You could remember only 2 or 4 for exam, it's enough. So distribution. Manganese ore found in India is of good quality and therefore in great demand in the world. So there in manganese is also an exporting mineral that India has benefit. And you remember the states enough: the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Goa, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan. And same with the map, I'll go through that differently. You no need to refer complete textbook for that. So copper, as we studied in the first on the classification, copper is an important non-ferrous metal. We got to know that it is a non-ferrous metal, but it comes under metallic elements, minerals. So it occurs in native form of three principal combinations. So the copper comes in the form of sulfides, oxides, and carbonates. So these uses are: it is good conductor of electricity. The most of the electrical things are made up of the copper, and it is used in automobile and defense industries. The copper is used in these automobile industries for minute things preparation or some materials, and the alloyed with iron and nickel to make stainless steel. So here also the copper is used in making alloy, and it alloy of zinc to form brass and tin to make bronze. It is used in building construction for roofing and plumbing, and it is used in shipbuilding industries. So distribution, you just remember Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Jharkhand. And bauxite. Bauxite is an oxide of aluminium. You'll learn this even in chemistry. So, and it is associated mainly with laterite rocks occurring extensively either on plateau or hill regions. Uses: the bauxite is main source of aluminium because it is lightweight, strong, and rust resistant metal. Aluminium is used in aircrafts, mobile, even in household appliance, even in kitchen. Will for cooking purpose, the mostly aluminium material utensils are used. It is used in electrical equipment industry because it is a good conductor, copper, aluminium. For electricity in the locally, that poles are all made up of almost aluminium and copper. Pure aluminum is best material for making headlight reflector and material and in telescope because it is sharp and reflective. So again in distribution, enough of remembering states like Goa, Odisha, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. The large integrated aluminum plant in India is at Renukut in Uttar Pradesh. It gets its supply from Amarkantak Plateau and Ranchi. So this is important. You should remember this point. And thanks for listening. Please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment on this video.